Hello guys, I'm Rohit Naik, and mostly people ask me questions saying that how to lube a chain effectively. Now it's not a tricky thing to do it. What all you require is a chain lube. I use OKS because it is readily available, and some cleaner like the WD-40. Okay, it is also used for rust prevention. Some clean cloth and some newspaper. Okay, so let us start first by cleaning the chain. Okay, we'll do it by actually starting the bike. Put the bike in the first gear and start wiping the chain. Make sure your hand is not coming in between this, otherwise your hand can be broke. Also, please clean this sprocket, because what happens is most of the dust get accumulated over here. Now it's time to use some WD-40 just for cleaning. Make sure when you are spraying it, you spray in between the teeth and the chain. This is the contact point where most of the mud is supposed to be. Apply enough of the cleaner and try to wipe up. After applying the WD spray, once the chain is clean, it's time to apply the lube. So basically, this is using for preventing as well as protecting the chain and lubing it effectively. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos.